Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. The following incident was quite upsetting for me, so please be prepared. The lanes here are merging, so cars in front have right of way. Even Tesla's sensors on my dash show that the idiot driver was behind me and therefore should not have accelerated to undertake me. Why was there no collision? Well, I had Tesla's collision avoidance switched on, and you may have noticed the little swerve to the right at the slip road entrance. The next day, I filed my report, and 5 months later, the police sent a letter saying the driver of VY962 was ticketed for careless driving. But I was traumatized and could not sleep that night. The incident kept playing over and over and over in my head. I wish more could be done to penalize idiot drivers. Thanks for watching and stay safe.